Today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for packing your kids' clothes for camping. Camping with kids is so much fun. The prep can take a bit of work, but I want to help you guys to be able to do this quickly and efficiently so you can have a great time when you're out there. Alright, first tip, number 1, pack for the weather. Before you head out anywhere, make sure that you check the weather and see what you're going to have while you're out. Okay, we need to know whether it's going to be sweltering hot the whole time, whether you're going to have rain, if you're going to have cold nights, cold days, snow, whatever's going to happen, you need to be prepared. Okay, it's one thing for us as adults if we don't bring the correct clothes, we have to deal with it. For our kids though, we don't want to see the little ones freezing cold and having nothing warm to wear. If there's rain in the forecast, no problem, just grab your rain boots and raincoats. We like to take everything and throw it in one big bag. Oh my goodness, I just dumped sand all over my floor. Okay, we take rain boots, raincoats, shove them all in one bag, and either keep this in our van or somewhere tucked away in the tent or trailer. Then if it rains or that weather comes up, we just have the bag, we can grab it, and everything is ready to go in one place. I'm covered in sand from the beach now. Tip number 2, don't overpack. You want to make sure that you have everything you need, but that you don't have more than you need. This will simplify your packing, and it'll mean that you have less to take care of while you're out enjoying camping. If you have young kids that are always getting filthy dirty, you might need more clothes than if you have an older child who's keeping their clothes relatively clean. Also, it makes a difference whether you're going for a backpacking trip and you want to keep things really lightweight. You know you're going to wear dirty clothes again, and that's fine. Or if you're going to a cottage or staying in a nice trailer and you won't be doing a lot of things where you're getting too dirty. This applies to footwear as well. Kids really don't need too many options. If you're going camping and you're going to be going to the beach, maybe some hiking, really just bring some flip-flops, a closed-toe pair of shoes they can hike in and walk around in, and if it's going to be raining, a pair of rain boots. Okay, other than that, they just don't need the options and you're just taking up space that you don't need to waste. Tip number 3, pack clothes that all match each other. Trust me, if it doesn't matter what the kid grabs in the morning, it'll just be easier for all of you. I know that no matter what pair of shorts and shirt and sweater or pants that Lincoln grabs, everything's just gonna go together no problem, and I don't have to even think about him getting dressed in the morning. He can just pick what he wants. If you can't pack clothes that are all going to match, you can also pack in outfits. So just pack outfits together, and then the kid just needs to grab one outfit in the morning, and they don't have to think about what goes with what. All right, so when it comes to the actual packing, I love using packing cubes. We have different colors for everyone in our family. This is Lincoln's color, the dark blue. So basically, you want to see what size you'll need for what you have. I'll show you what I have for Lincoln. So this would be for camping for 3 nights in either a tent or a trailer. This is what I would bring for him. So we live in Canada, and here, even in the summers, it gets pretty chilly at night sometimes, and we usually have rain. So I need to be packing for hot during the day and cold at night, and any kind of combination in there. So what I usually bring for them, in the summer, I would have 3 pairs of shorts, 3 t-shirts. Okay, as you can see, it really doesn't matter what one he wears. Everything's just gonna match, no problem there. As the pants, a pair of track pants and just regular pants. 2 sweaters, a lightweight one and a fleece one. I find the fleece just keep them nice and warm, so I'd like to have at least one of those. Okay, pajamas, again, at night it can be super hot or super cold here, so I usually like to bring 2 options, a warm pair and a cold pair. Also, if you happen to run out of pants or sweaters, the pajamas in a pinch can double for that. Same thing if you run out of pajamas, you know, he can grab a sweater, a t-shirt, or a pair of track pants and wear that. I also pack a bathing suit, 2 pairs of socks, and for 3 nights, I would do 4 pairs of underwear. Okay, for little kids, it's just always good to have extra just in case. For Clara, packing for 3 nights, I would bring 3 outfits. So this girlie loves her dresses, so we bring a dress with some bike shorts, 2 shirts, 2 bottoms, a skirt and a short here. Okay, in terms of packing lightweight and taking up less space, Clara would love to bring this dress with her everywhere that we go. She loves to wear it. However, for camping, we say we're not going to bring the giant poofy flower girl dress. As much as we love it, we will bring the nice, compact beach dress. Okay, again, 2 pairs of pants. I have leggings and a track pant for her. and she has a lightweight and a warmer fleece hoodie, 2 pairs of pajamas, her warm ones, her cool ones, 2 socks, 4 undies, and her bathing suit. Tip number 4, get your kids to do their own packing. If your kids are old enough, you can give them a checklist. I like to give Lincoln a checklist with words and pictures since he can't read yet. I'll post a link below to my checklist. You can go download that for free and get a copy for yourself. But definitely get your kids to choose their own clothes to bring camping. You can give them guidelines and definitely check it over when they're done, but that's a great way to get the kids involved and to give them some responsibilities for camping. Tip number 5, pack vertical. Okay, I'm going to show you guys now how to actually pack these packing cubes. If you pack it vertical, it's easy to see everything. You have all your options right in front of you. You don't have to be scrambling and unpacking bags as you go. Keeps it tidy and you're good to go. All right, bonus tip, make sure you always bring a laundry bag. We just use this little mesh drawstring bag. Just makes it easy for us to keep our clean clothes separate from our dirty clothes. When we come home, we just throw everything from here in the laundry and we are good to go. And there you have it, the kids' clothes are packed for the weekend. I will also post a link for these packing cubes. They're a bit higher than some other ones that I've seen, and I really like that for the vertical packing. And again, we each have a set of our own color. They come in a bunch of different varieties, and we've just really enjoyed versatility and compactness that it gives us. So here we go. We have the kids' clothes, their rain gear, and we're getting closer to being ready to go. If you learned something or found this video useful, please give a like below and subscribe to our channel. Happy camping! We'll see you next time!